Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making this lovely bean stew. This is different, it's a style I have invented. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so sit back and then let's go through the step-by-step guide on how to achieve this bean stew made with chicken thigh. Okay, so first of all, you want to dice your chicken thigh, put your oil in your saucepan, and then put the chicken inside. Okay, and then once the chicken goes, you begin to season it. As you can see, I've put some chicken seasoning into it, and onto that I am adding some Cajun seasoning. So the whole trick of this bean stew stems from this process. Okay, this is what's gonna flavor it, give it the taste and everything. Yeah, so once that is all gone in, then we add some black pepper. Just as you can see, choose seasoning of your choice, but mainly if you're using chicken, it should all be chicken seasoning. The black pepper unlocks another flavor altogether, so don't miss it out. No matter the type of seasoning you choose to use, always go for that. And then I also added some ginger and garlic into that as well. So once that is all done, you pour it onto the side, and then you introduce your saucepan again with your oil, and now you go in with your chopped onions. Now we're just gonna go the normal way of making our bean stew, which is you add in your chopped onions and then your pepper and your tomatoes. Okay, so I did that, and then this is just some blended pepper, onion, ginger, garlic. Again, put that in. It unlocks also another special flavor into the food. Okay, entirely optional, but I chose to do it. Right, so once we allow that to simmer for a while, and then once that is all cooked through, we'll be introducing our tomatoes. I just thought I will mash up my beans on the side. So you cook your beans. The trick is, if you want to have it thick and smooth, which I like, mash up your beans a little bit, as you can see me doing. So this is my pepper, put that in. Every bite feels like, and then stir, and then your tomatoes, like I said. I only used a few. You could do with more tomatoes, but I only used just a bit for this process. I realized I could have added a bit more just to get a bit more stew into the bean stew. Yeah, but if you are doing yours, just up the quantity a bit depending the quantity you're making on the day. Okay, all right, and then we stir, and then once it's all cooked through, at this point I've not added any form of seasoning whatsoever. There is no salt in the beans, there is no salt in the oil that I've cooked so far. Okay, why? Because all the flavor will be unlocked in the chicken when we introduce it to it. So there's no Maggi, there's no salt, like extra salt, nothing here, guys. Okay, so let's just bear that in mind. And one thing I also added to the oil as well was just a bit of crayfish powder, just so you can get that flavor into it as well. So crayfish powder was in there, or you can add a bit of momone if you want to get that momone flavor into it, that home type flavor. But obviously you can omit all of that. All the details will be in the description box, so look out for it. So you see, once it's all mixed up, this is what you'll be expecting to have. And mind you, I use cooking oil for this process. Okay, so once I'm happy it's all well incorporated, we just add the chicken, and that unlocks the flavor to a different level. And then whilst on the side, I just thought, let's fry some plantain, because we're gonna have it with fried plantain. We're doing some red. You can have it with rice, you can have it with fried yam, anything you want. Okay, so you'll be looking for something like this with a bit of curry on the side. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you're gonna try it. Do try it and let me know what you think. Bye.